Hello everyone. Well, I'm trying to pick this Avis padlock here for Lockpicking Pete's pick a German padlock thing, and I am not getting into this guy. I'll get a false set, and that's about it. Oh, I don't know what's going on here. I've picked this lock before. There we go. I've got a false set now. You saw that. You saw that. Alright. Trying to find out who I'm getting counter rotation from, because it feels like it's coming from everybody. I'm gonna change my hook then. I mean, I don't know what the hell's going on here. I'll try the steeper guy. Maybe I'm just hitting. I think I'm hitting other pins because they give me counter rotation. And then it's like everybody was giving me counter rotation. You can't have them all counter rotate. There we go. We got that false set again. Right. It's a tough little padlock. It doesn't want to open for me. I don't know why. Perhaps I need to speak German to it. I don't know very much German. Sprechen Sie Deutsch? My father was stationed in Germany for a while. I think I was conceived in Germany because I was born in England. My father went from Germany to England. So, if I just stayed there, I could have been German. Alright. Yeah, he was involved in the Berlin airlift. He was a part of that. Helped fly in stuff to cargo into Berlin when it was walled off by East Germany. Gorbachev, tear down that wall. Alright, finally got it. See? Just had to speak a little German history to him. So there we go. It's an Avis 5540. And like I said, what started me into getting into Avis locks was Potty 314 sent me this beautiful 7240, and I've been going after Avis locks ever since. And the latest one I have is this guy. It's a Berg. I'm gonna screw up the names, I won't even pronounce it, but it's a number 10. And I looked at it. It's got these little levers up here, and I think that's the locking pawl up there. But I got in and I started looking in here and manipulating around, manipulating levers and trying to see. You can close this and it's not going to lock. You basically have to lock it. And I looked back up there to see how to do that. But anyways, it's a beautiful little lock, and it's a really old one. But that's just one of the many Abises that I have. There's a little green Abis 7240. This is the one that I won from Tony S's drawing. This Abis. I stole the core out of it to put it in this guy. Here's the core that came out of that one. So anyways, that's my entry for Lockpicking Pete's. He's got 100 subscribers, over 100 now. And he's going to do a giveaway. And you've got to either pick a German lock or make a funny video. And I decided to pick a German lock. This is my favorite one right here. The body alone costs like 50 bucks. So, and it's got a SFIC core in it. So thanks for watching, and I'm going to try to find this video. I can't find his entry video for that one right now, but YouTube's kind of acting crazy right now. It's not showing comments, and I just had a deja vu with a steel pinnings video, which I thought I saw before. But anyway, thank you for watching, and happy picking, everyone.